4-3. All right, so here we go. Let's see now how you're thinking. And like I said, I think it's okay to use the solutions as a guide, not use the solutions to fill in the homework. That's not what you're doing. All right, that's where people get themselves in trouble. All right, so here we go. I'm assuming this is where we left off then, right? 13. All right. Do I need to go over 13, or is everybody pretty comfortable with 13? Does anybody have any questions with 13? Going once? Nobody. All right, that's good. All right, I'm kind of happy about that. All right, let's check out the next one. What about 14? Definition of midpoint, right? Then it breaks it down into congruent triangles, right? Any questions with that? Wow. If you guys are doing good on these, today's lesson's super easy also. I might not even have to say much about today's lesson then.
For the congruent triangles, it would be side, 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 right?
Well, it would be side, side, side if all three sides of one triangle are congruent to all three sides of another. But you see how much I did of this, right? How much should I do of this? Nothing. So I can't tell you what the answer is, right? Side angle side is two sides and an included angle. All right? But I don't mind. All right? Everybody's good? No issues? All right, I'm pretty happy with you guys then. All right? What about 15? I'm not sure if we talked about equilateral, even though we've known it since probably 6th grade. Basic geometry. What does equilateral mean again?
All sides.
Yeah, all sides are equal. So if all sides are equal, you could say XY is congruent to YZ, definition of equilateral triangle, right? I mean, that was an easy one. All right, I'm feeling good about it, right, guys? And like I said, you have to do it now. All right, let's go ahead. Wow, okay, I'm pretty happy with you on that then. All right, if you're feeling good about that, today's lesson is super easy. I thought it would require a little bit more time. Hopefully you're feeling better about it. If you're not feeling better about it, do like someone else did. Come tell me. I'll be happy to pull you in at lunch even and work with you at lunch a little bit if you want me to try to do that. But I honestly think you guys are smart enough to rework the problems. That's all you got to do. Rework the problems and rework them again. And then you'll start to remember all the different details. All right, is everybody good with that? All right, so now let's open 4-4, which I think I posted, correct? I did post 4-4. So let's go ahead and put that up. I don't think there's as many proofs, all right? But today, we just have 2 more options, all right? So far, we can prove triangles are congruent by side, 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 or side angle side. Today we're going to show you angle, angle, side, or angle, side, angle. So those are the 4 ways we can prove triangles are congruent. Everybody good? Never can we prove triangles are congruent by angle, side, side. Never. All right? What are you thinking about, Gavin? That's angle, side, side. All right? Not allowed. All right? Those are your 4 options. Side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, or angle, side, angle. All right? Anybody have any questions with that? All right, now let's try to knock out these proofs real quick. All right, maybe we can get it done. All right, so the first thing I like to do is obviously go ahead and grab the given. All right, here we go. Step 1, given. All right, now individually what I like to do is I like just go through the given, and it says CE bisects angle BED. So, Ava, what does that mean? If CE bisects angle BED, what's true? So I like BEC is congruent to what? I didn't hear you. CE bisects BED. So you told me that BEC is congruent to what? Now you're saying ECD is this. How about, now look, this, again, watch this. You said this angle is here. So what is that congruent to? Yes. You with me now on that, right? Okay, now again, here's where I'm trying to help you guys. If that doesn't make sense, don't just say yes or okay, right? Let me know if you don't see that. Is everybody okay with that? So we now can say, for number 2, we can say that angle BEC is congruent to angle what? DEC, right? Is everybody good with that? And we can call that what? Definition of bisect. Definition of bisect. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the next given. This and this. Somebody help me out. How do I use that, Charlotte? Yes, I like that. Number 3, angle BCE is congruent to angle ECD. Because why? Now listen, I don't really mind you saying that, but we would normally, definition of right angle just means that the angle is what? 9 degrees. Right angles are always what? Congruent. That's what I write down. I just think that's easy. All right angles are congruent. You with me on that? All right. So I just want you to write all right angles are congruent. All right. So now I'm going to mark that's a right angle. All right, someone else jump in now. What's step number 4? Yes, good for you. Wow, very good job, girl. CE is congruent to CE because, very nice work, reflexive property of equality or congruent. Here we go. So 2 marks there. Everybody good? So now what? Tell me, Dalton.
ECB is congruent to ECD.
Why? Slow down.
Side angle side.
Slow down. Okay. You said side angle side. Why is it really? Come on, look at it carefully. Now don't tell him. He's going to get it. He goes too fast. I'm trying to teach him to slow down. Why is it? There you go. Angle what? Angle side angle, right? So just be careful. Don't accidentally say side angle side. All right, 5. Angle, side, angle. What are you thinking, guys? Pretty good? Any issues?
I'm a little confused how you got angle, side, angle.
I looked at the figure. All right, I'm not trying to be sarcastic. Look at the figure.
Angle, side, angle.
That's right. The side is between the 2 what?
Angles.
That's why it's called angle, side, angle. You with me on that? All right. We don't say angle, angle, side. We don't say that. All right, what?
Wouldn't it be like side angle? Or sorry, not like side.
Well, if all three sides are congruent. All right.
Oh.
Right now, angle side would look something like this for those of you guys who are paying attention. Angle side. That would be an example of angle side. Look up and make sure you're seeing that. Right, because it would be what? Angle side.
There's only one pair of sides.
Yes. Right. If I erase this, come on guys, now pay attention, and put this, now that's what? Angle side angle. Right, so bear with me on that. All right. Let's go down to number 12. All right. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Try to do it. All right, all by yourself. Pause the video here. Okay, so again, let's break this down now and make sure I'm saying it clearly. I think you should look at each given and make a statement about each part of the given. I think that's really helpful if you understand that. All right? So it says here, KM bisects JML. So I got to find JML. JML. There's that angle. And that is bisected by KM. Tyler, what does that mean? But what does it mean, though? Yes. What is true because it's bisected? That's what you have to tell me. Come on now. Read it to me one more time. What does it say? Right here. What does bisect mean? Yeah, so if something is bisected, what's true about the two parts? They're equal. So now I want you to look at JML, and I want you to look at KM, and because KM bisects JML, what's true? No, that's marked. I don't care about that. KM bisects JML. So you told me that creates two things that are equal. What two things are equal? On this figure right here. Your problem is you're looking at this figure. This should not be here. I'm going to erase this because this is messing you up. That's not supposed to be there. Here is MK. Watch me now. Here is MK. It's bisecting this angle. It's bisecting this angle right here. So what's true? I would want you to be able to look at that and say these two angles are congruent. What two angles are congruent? Look right here now. Everything's okay. That's why you know what I'm saying? So look. This right here, say it one more time. This segment bisects this angle. Therefore, this angle is congruent to this angle. That's what that means. All right? So again, these are just things you have to practice, guys. That's what I'm talking about. You got to practice. All right? So stay with me, Tyler, because I'm going to ask you some more questions. All right? So now on step number 2, you have to write down angle JMK is congruent to angle, which one? Yes. All right? KML. Now, why are they congruent, though? That's right. Definition of bisect. All right, now you're in the game. Okay, now we can go back and say that angle J is congruent to angle L. Mark that because it was given. All right? Now, number 3, Emily, what?
I said MK is congruent to MK. That's reflexive.
You okay with that? MK is always congruent to itself. MK is congruent to MK, and that is reflexive. And I put 2 tick marks. Mr. Osborne, number 4.
I put triangle JMK is congruent to triangle KML.
It is congruent to triangle what?
KML. That's
What does J correspond to? This is important.
L.
L. What does M correspond to?
M.
M. And what does K correspond to?
K.
You with me on that?
LMK.
Right. You see what I'm saying, right? You have to get the letters right or it's not correct.
That's,
What?
Does it matter if you put reflexive property or quality?
No, I just put reflexive because I'm lazy. All right, you're right. Number 4. Why is that?
angle side angle.
Angle side angle or angle angle side? Angle angle side, right? Is the side between the 2 angles? No. That's why it's angle angle side. You with me?
Yeah.
All right. Now again, a lot of times kids mess this up, so I'm trying to just verify this. So angle angle side. Angle angle side. Agreed? All right. Angle angle side. So now 5. Carson, do you remember why? What to do next? Yes. Very good. Let's hear it. JM is congruent to LM. Say it. You are amazing. CPCTC. I don't think that was that hard. I really don't. All right, for those of you guys who don't understand or you're not quite there yet, cover it up. All right, try it again. Blank sheet of paper. All right. Now, I kind of look through here. I think we're good. I think that's a good opportunity now. I think what I want to do is, I think I want to just stop today because I didn't realize you guys were doing this well. All right, so I want to stop. I want to give you guys this homework. All right, and you should be able to come tomorrow with it all knocked out. All right, I feel that way. Yes.
They called it a flow chart. What's different with the flow chart?
Well, if you've gone through the book, they just do this. I don't know why. They have like this, and they draw arrows, and they say something like this, and they come over here and say something about this over here, and they draw arrows down here, and they could. I have no idea. No idea. All right, it doesn't organize things, in my opinion. All right, this statement of reasons does what? Organizes. One step after another. Simple. All right, if the answer is in a flow chart, you can convert the flow chart to a statement of reason. You understand what I'm saying, right? All right, it's basically the same. It's just unorganized, in my opinion. All right, so listen, guys, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, so let's get busy. All right. It's a short period today, so try to get as much done as you can so you don't have homework. I'm a little bit behind because I haven't posted the solutions, so I'm going to grab the solutions real quick and let you see them just so you can double check your answers. All right, please get busy. If you're struggling, ask a neighbor. Sit with somebody. All right, that's what you're supposed to be doing, helping each other. All right, don't be isolated.